Hey, what's up? This is Mikey for Blue Monkey Bicycles, and guess what? I found a really cool helmet, the Xnito. This is unlike any other electric bike helmet that I've ever used, and no, it's not because it's got lights on it. There's actually a lot more to it. Alright, so I'll go ahead and cut to the mustard. This helmet is one of very few, really might be the only helmet that I know of in the USA that is rated for 28 miles an hour. Most of the time, electric bike helmets are just a regular helmet, which are only crash rated for 15 miles an hour. I have far too many of these in my collection as it stands, but if I'm rocking a Class 3 electric bike, I would feel much better riding with a better helmet. Briefly, I've tried scooter or motorcycle helmets, but these things are rather cumbersome, and it's honestly a little overkill for the stuff that I normally do. And don't get me started on fashion helmets that are made only for looks. I don't wear a phony seatbelt to look cool, and neither should you. And here it is. This helmet passes the NTA 8776 certification, and I'm not going to pretend that I know the details of that test, but I'm told that it rates helmets for speeds of up to 28 miles an hour. Honestly, that's all I care about. The helmet is packed with a higher density EPS foam, which probably gives it that rating, and the shape that it provides actually has extra coverage along the temple, which is really nice. All of the coverage on the helmet is offset by a hefty amount of airflow with 10 different vents along the entire helmet. Even wearing this in the summer, it still feels pretty cool, at least compared to like a popular skate helmet. Now, not putting the cart before the horse, the helmet includes a set of lights that, honestly, these are the best lights that I've ever owned on a helmet. Both the front and the back, they charge off of one micro USB port that goes into the back of the helmet. And that is super convenient. No batteries, no pulling out the module in and out. It's exactly what you would expect from a modern helmet with lights on it. I gotta say, I really love the old school roller disco design on this helmet that I chose, but it was kind of a tough choice. The other options are pretty slick. Sometimes I wish I got the Valkyrie instead. But I really like the designs that they have on these helmets. It's not just a blank color. You actually have some variety, some spice to it. So, what does this all come to? All the safety, all the style comes in at a price of $150. For all the features and the added safety and certification, then this would probably be a great helmet for you. The safety is a huge improvement over the rest of the bike helmets that I've seen. The style is really dope, and I really love the lights. Thanks for watching this video on the Xnito helmet. You can check out the links in the description below. I'm Mikey for Blue Monkey Bicycles, and I will see you on later.